Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 1011, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 1011? What's the symbolism of 1011? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 1011 mean for love? What does 1011 mean for twin flames? What does 1011 for manifestation? How does angel number 1011 affect finances? What does 1011 mean for former relationships? How does 1011 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 1011? What are the weaknesses of angel number 1011? What's the meaning of angel number 1011? Angel number 1011 is a powerful sign encouraging personal growth, creative energy, and spiritual awakening. It blends the leadership and initiative of 1 with the enlightenment and infinite potential of 0, with the double 1 amplifying the call to action. This number signifies that you're being divinely guided to embrace your true path, let go of old limitations, and trust your inner wisdom. Seeing 1011 is often a sign that positive changes are ahead, and your thoughts, intentions, and beliefs are rapidly shaping your reality. It encourages confidence, originality, and faith in your divine purpose. What's the symbolism of angel number 1011? The symbolism of 1011 reflects inner awakening, forward motion, and spiritual connection. The number 1 symbolizes new beginnings, leadership, and independence, while 0 signifies divine presence, eternal cycles, and boundless potential. The repetition of 1 amplifies its influence, highlighting manifestation and personal power. This number sequence is symbolic of aligning with your higher self and stepping into your purpose with clarity. It serves as a reminder that your thoughts and intentions hold immense creative energy. 1011's mirror-like format also suggests balance between intuition and action, signaling the importance of spiritual alignment as you move forward with intention. What is the angel number 1011's spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 1011 marks a time of awakening and deep soul alignment. It calls on you to heighten your awareness, strengthen your connection to the divine, and trust your intuition. The 0 in the middle signifies a strong link to Source, while the 1s on either side emphasize self-leadership and divine co-creation. You're being asked to shed limiting beliefs and step into your spiritual power. This number may also suggest you're receiving intuitive messages or that a spiritual teacher or insight will soon appear. Embrace meditation, mindfulness, and inner stillness to fully access its spiritual potential. What does angel number 1011 mean for love? In love, angel number 1011 encourages growth, truth, and heartfelt communication. It may signal the start of a meaningful relationship or a time to rekindle and strengthen an existing one. This number asks you to lead with authenticity and align your romantic intentions with your higher values. If you're single, it's a sign to love yourself fully before seeking love from others. If partnered, it can suggest transformation or evolution within the bond. 1011 reminds you that love should elevate and support your personal and spiritual journey. Emotional honesty, trust, and mutual growth are key themes in romantic life now. What does angel number 1011 mean for twin flames? Angel number 1011 holds deep resonance for twin flame journeys, signifying awakening, synchronicity, and union through personal transformation. It often appears during pivotal moments, meeting, separation, or reconnection. The 1s highlight individuality and soul mission, while the 0 in the center symbolizes spiritual wholeness. 1011 calls twin flames to do inner work, raise their vibrations, and trust the divine plan. It suggests that both twins are being divinely guided toward alignment, not just with each other but with their own higher selves. The number serves as reassurance that your twin flame path is unfolding exactly as it should. Stay open and patient. What does angel number 1011 for manifestation? Angel number 1011 is a strong message that your manifestation powers are heightened. Your thoughts and beliefs are quickly taking shape in the material world, so it's vital to stay focused on positivity, clarity, and aligned desires. The ones represent new beginnings and intentional creation, while 0 amplifies spiritual energy. 1011 is a signal that the universe is supporting your goals. Now is the time to set intentions, visualize success, and take decisive action. The energy surrounding this number is highly creative, making it ideal for attracting abundance, success, or transformation. Keep your thoughts aligned with your soul's deepest aspirations. How does angel number 1011 affect finances? Angel number 1011 brings the message of financial empowerment through mindset and focused action. It encourages you to take control of your financial future by aligning with opportunities that reflect your values and purpose. The number suggests that a new path or breakthrough in your financial life is possible if you stay confident and committed. The presence of 1 signals leadership and ambition, while 0 brings divine support. It may also hint at entrepreneurial ventures, creative income sources, or spiritual work tied to abundance. Trust that your financial well-being is supported when you're aligned with your authentic path. What does angel number 1011 mean for former relationships? Angel number 1011 in the context of former relationships signals healing, closure, and forward momentum. It encourages you to learn from past experiences without dwelling in regret or nostalgia. The repeating ones suggest it's time to refocus on your personal growth and step into a new chapter emotionally. If you're considering reconnection, 1011 urges you to ensure both parties have evolved spiritually and emotionally. Otherwise, it's a call to release the past with love and gratitude. This number supports emotional renewal, reminding you that love, like all aspects of life, is a journey of self-discovery and inner alignment. How does angel number 1011 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 1011 inspires leadership, innovation, and spiritual alignment. It often appears when you're being nudged toward a path that better reflects your true purpose. This could mean a promotion, career shift, or entrepreneurial venture. The sequence of 1 suggests it's time to step out boldly and take initiative. The 0 emphasizes divine guidance, signaling that your work should not only provide income but also fulfill your soul. You're encouraged to think outside the box and act with confidence. Trust that your angels are guiding you to professional environments where your gifts will shine and expand. What are the strengths of angel number 1011? The strengths of angel number 1011 include strong intuition, leadership, creativity, and spiritual awareness. It enhances your ability to take initiative while staying spiritually grounded. Those influenced by this number are often visionary thinkers, capable of bringing bold ideas into reality. 1011 fosters independence, mental clarity, and an ability to stay motivated during change. It strengthens your capacity to manifest desires and encourages you to trust divine timing. This number also supports emotional resilience and clarity in relationship. Its presence empowers you to lead from the heart, break free from the past, and embrace your authentic path with purpose. What are the weaknesses of angel number 1011? Despite its strengths, angel number 1011 can bring challenges such as overthinking, impatience, or emotional isolation. The intense energy of the triple may first lead to impulsiveness or self-centeredness if not balanced with compassion. The desire for new beginnings can cause restlessness or avoidance of emotional processing. Those influenced by 1011 may also struggle with letting go of past failures or relationships, hindering progress. The spiritual pull of the 0 may bring confusion if not grounded in daily practice. To overcome these weaknesses, it's important to cultivate mindfulness, patience, and emotional balance while staying connected to your higher guidance.